he fall in the well? Sheesh. All you do is... Bailey, tell her.
Look out! She almost fell backwards. Not as young as she used to be.
Well, get it.
Look, Nancy, you can see this?
Get it.
Shh.
Bailey, go get it from her. Why do you give in? Go get it.
Now then, let's have a fight.
Go ahead. Go get it from her. Go ahead. Go get it.
Perfect temperament for
Go get
Katie.
it. Come on, go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Get it.
Perfect temperament for Katie.
Yeah, everybody give